Hello dear friends, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you how you can set privacy on the friend's story because sometimes we dislike the story of some friends. So in this video, I will show you how you can set privacy on the friend's story. And also we can set privacy on who can mention us on the story. So in this video I will show you how you can set privacy on mention on the story and privacy on that story which you dislike. So without wasting time, let's start video. Before starting the process, if you did not subscribe our channel, please subscribe it. So firstly, open the emo and then you will see profile icon at the top left corner. Click on it and then you will see security and privacy option. Click on it and then scroll down the page and then you will see stories option. Then click on ignore their story and here you can select the contact on which you want to ignore the story. Because I have no any story, so that's why I have no contact which I have ignored. So after that, click on here mentions. So you can see I selected everyone. It cause problem anytime. So if I select my contact, then my contact only mention me on the story. If I will select nobody, then nobody can mention us on the story. So by following this process, you can set privacy on the mention on the story and ignore the story. If this video is helpful for you, please like the video and also subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.